from all the mainstream platforms that say, here's why it actually takes weeks to count the ballots. Because you're rigging it. That's the only reason why. You can't use COVID as an excuse anymore. Last time they said, well, because of this cough that has been going on for a couple of years now.
Dead yet?
You know, well, I guess in the 2000 election, just about 1 year now, there's been this cough from China. And get rid of all the election integrity protections. But that doesn't work anymore. COVID is over. And they're just doing it because it gives the Democrats an unfair advantage. People say, where's the evidence? The rigging is the evidence.
The rigging is the evidence.